So you guys, look what we have right here.
We just got
We're back from 5 Below.
Hello.
I have this glow in the dark mask. I'm not gonna turn the lights off. I want to turn the lights off and let y'all see it glow in the dark, but don't have to. Miracle got these. What is this, Miracle?
And we have...
While Miracle shows you that.
We have this slime that I'm going to be opening right now. Here's the slime.
Yeah. So Miracle has the slime.
Bob, can you come help me open it?
Of course.
And meanwhile, I'm going to open this for you guys. This is the name of it. What does it say, Dad?
It says Lynx 2-pack snap. Link snaps. 2-pack snap.
Yeah, watch it now. Get that open.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that slime. So let me get you a bow to put this slime on, y'all. Let me tell you, 5 Below got so much cute stuff. I'll put your slime in there.
That looks so cool. Wait. You can see it. Wait, let's put it back in.
Yeah, midnight is the bathroom.
That is...
Did you get your slime out before?
Let's put it out. Oh!
Can I help you? Oh, it's crunchy.
Wait, guys, here, you guys.
Chanel crunchy slime. Chanel. Oh, is that foam in it?
Yeah, foam balls.
So,
Now, meantime, I'm gonna get these.
She
People
got some
call
slime
them wacky tracks. Cause
so are those like fidgets too?
yeah, they are. I saw them up.
It's okay. I'll get that. So you can connect them together, right?
I think you can.
So look at my baby wacky tracks, y'all.
Wait, let me see if I can make a heart.
Look.
I love you too.
She said she loved mommy because mommy once took her.
Bye.
Oh, guys, look at me, the heart. I love you, Dad.
I love you, Dad.
Chanel, how you made yours look like that? Did you take it loose?
I
So
snapped
her
it
looks
together.
look better. So did you unloosen it and then re-snap it?
Okay.
Here. Which side did you snap it on?
Keep going. So
And we
got
also
some,
bought some pajamas.
we got some PJs, guys, with pumpkin
Look
on it.
at that.
And
Wait, I just have the perfect idea. Hopefully they don't get
we got some
stuck
panda
together.
cookies.
Oh, these are my fave. I ate some. Also,
I got this right here. This is gonna be so cool. I'm gonna hang it up somewhere.
and these are called.
Make it spooky in here.
They're called
Oh,
monkey
there's spiders on
doodles.
there. Oh my
They're
God.
Crazy, you should go crazy bungee bands.
Yeah, but they're also
Oh.
called monkey doodles.
And look what else I got, guys.
And people also call them monkey doodles because
And we got this. We got
They-
some PJs. Did you show them the PJs, baby? The PJs.
they're so doodly. Doodle, 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 doodle.
Let me see your
Doodles.
noodles.
I got some
What is
noodles.
that stuff?
Some noodles.
That
was so fun. So Miracle.
Just kidding. They're actually not food. So kids, do
Miracle
not
said she
try
said
to
they're
eat it
supposed
at
to be the
home.
monkey sticks or something like that.
Monkey noodles.
Monkey noodles. But
Wait.
she said they're not the right ones. But
But
they
they're
said
still
common
monkey
fidget toys.
noodles.
Let's see how we do these. Oh.
I think I like the wacky track.
Oh, y'all, look what else I got. Of course, y'all know I'm going to do a shorts on this tonight. And of course, I'm going to do a shorts on this tonight.
We love YouTubing. Well, my mom.
So this is
really
Lollipop
does.
candy powder. Yay! What? I'm a dip and stick, dip and lick, dip and stick, dip and stick.
I need to make a heart.
So guys, I'm gonna show y'all something. Well, Miracle sitting right there. Let me see how
Try
this
to
is.
make a heart.
Okay, y'all ready?
Oh
Keep
no,
going, Dad.
I'm scared. The slide master.
Does it go?
Let me see.
No?
You're supposed to.
I know with some money.
Come over and down. Come over.
So bad.
You gotta cut it down. You gotta cut it down a little bit.
Yep.
Is it going?
You have to cut it down more.
Kind of, but not really. It's. Well,
That's why it was a dollar.
It's a glow in the dark mask though. It's a glow in the dark face mask.
Look,
Glow in the dark face mask. What it says.
I made a heart.
So we're gonna turn the lights back on because it's not glowing.
I love it.
I made it with this.
I love it.
But look.
Let me see. Squad. Oh yeah.
And it's so scratchable.
Are these good, Miracle? Let me
Yeah,
taste
they're
them.
really, really good.
She wants to taste these for her tomorrow. She don't really share some with her mom.
I think they're Japanese snacks. Yeah, aren't they good? It's like toast and Nutella. They're so good.
So it's
Wait,
Wacky
wait,
Stick.
wait.
Look.
Let me take one out for you guys.
Let me
so
see
you
what I
guys
made
can
those
see.
Wacky Stick. Look, guys.
Wait, I want them to see what it looks like. They come in different shapes. Different, like, kind of things.
Okay.
Wait, look, look.
So these bungee bands, look how you put them in your arms, your hands. Crazy bungee bands. How y'all like that?
There's
Y'all take my
Nutella
thumbnail like
inside.
this. Bloops, 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 bloops.
Ah.
No tension yet. 7. Oh. So let's see what we can do with these. Can we just do this, Miracle? What are you supposed to do with these?
Just play with them and scratch them.
Ouch! That thing hurt. So you're supposed to stretch them like this, guys. So they go back in the shape.
It's like a workout, right?
Yes, it is.
You just scratch that.
We should do our Pop and Fidget collection next because we have a lot of Pop.
And we should do fidget training, guys.
Ouch! Ooh,
Ah!
that hurts.
Stop that then.
So what I'm gonna make?
And
this?
you can also see your hands through the slime. You can make different kinds of shapes.
Let's see if I can make a square. What can you make, Miracle?
I mean,
So guys, I want to make a rectangle, I think.
I need to get it unloose.
Ooh.
Mom, can you help me get it unloose?
Okay, I made a rectangle. And what can Miracle make? Why to make my crab legs?
Yes,
So yeah, I'm making crab legs
we're eating
tonight.
those tonight.
No. So let's see if we can
Ma,
make
how
something
do
else
you-
before we end this video.
Wait, I want to do this one.
Why you took it back, little girl?
Wait, I'm gonna see if I can make a M.
I made a snake. Move like 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 a snake.
Stop!
They don't like when I be singing because I said move like a snake.
Wait, Mom, let me see. Let me see.
Hold up, hold up.
I'm gonna see if I can connect.
Yeah, I wonder what this candy gonna taste like. These tiny
There.
particles of pure
I bet
Sour.
they're gonna be good.
of Tom's candy made by Toxic Waste. Oh, what a meter at? It's sour.
I'm gonna try to make an M for my name, Miracle. Yes, my name is Miracle Chanel.
Let me show them something else we got before we end this video.
I'm gonna try my best. The
Hey, y'all,
best.
look. We got this. Oh! And at the dog eat chocolate. We got this gigantic bag of chocolate we got from Sam's Club. Even though it's not Halloween yet, and it has all those nasty musketeers in there.
I don't like musketeers.
I like the Milky Ways, of course.
I don't like Milky Ways. I like the musketeers.
450 pieces of candy come in here. So.
Yeah.
And the only sweet candy we have in here is the Starbucks. 450 pieces.
Well, all of them are
I'm at a
sweet.
Starburst. Oh, they got Starbucks on my mind.
Yeah, my sister works there. I connected them. My look. Stop.
So you guys, we want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget
To
to
like, comment, and subscribe.
and also subscribe to JustFaye.
And Gaming with Chanel. And our TikTok.
Good night.